Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan, and I'm a photographer. I've been shooting, well, I'm specialized on still photo, commercial photo. I shot a lot of jewelries and stuff, and these days I shoot people, and I run the portrait studio. Since I run the portrait studio, I shoot people too. But this shot is on studio, and that was the Fujifilm digital cameras test 10 to 15 years ago. Well, this is the costume of the Okinawan cultural kimono. Watch is the model, owners of the office rhythm, beautiful model, and I got this shot, pretty good. And well, this is a basic image, and I made the find edge. I used a filter called find edge by Adobe Photoshop. I made this image too. Now, I want to try to make an illustrated photo from this and this. Okay, now I'm on Fresco. I'm going to use this layer, move in between these two layers. Then I'm going to change that layer mode, the blend mode, well, whichever you call. Turn this one to darken so you can see through underneath. And I'm gonna see this, well, a little bit tone down to maybe 40% or so. Then I'm gonna put the color on this layer with watercolor brush. There is 3 types of them. This one, watercolor wash flat. First, this is a big one. Okay, select biggest size and water flow 100 max, 100%, and pick the color first. Now, this costume has the yellowish raw. Okay, let's get it in. Now I start from here. This is dark area, so I'm going to put the make it darker. Change the brush to wash soft. So why don't I add the layer over this so it's not gonna blend in together. Okay, now go for this red. Change back to watercolor wash flat again, and size. Okay, the watercolor round detail, a little bit more small area. I'm using both two layers to put on colors. One is this, just different colors next to the color I do touch. So it's gonna blend it in, but I want to go a little more darker, so I use different layer. I don't know if it's right things to do or not. I just tried, just in the future. So this layer is not gonna affect any other the color next to it. Just darken the green. Okay. Now red. First of all, this layer, so it's not gonna affect anything. Next color. But this one's gonna affect, so I don't use the water and just go dark more. Can you tell if it's oops. Now I want to put, the fish skin tone. Go for light side. And I have to put it on this layer, otherwise color is gonna be mixed up. So different layer from this. This is better, I think. That'll be fine, and also just touch of eyeshadow or okay, now that's too much I think, but just tone down with this. Looks too dark. Well, make a different layer for hair. Now painting is almost done. Some red on here. Now I'm going to put another layer for background color. Same water, wash flat, watercolor, wash flat. Then the color is, first of all, I'm going to put this water. Then biggest brush, lots of water. Let it dry. Then again, I'm gonna go for a little more blue on here. Oh, a touch greener. Yellowish color around here. A little more blue. Then the other side, I'm gonna go for touch more red. Now, I'm going to, just in case, just to duplicate the layer, then I'm going to turn this one off. Just keep it there. But just keep it there. I mean, this one, right? Off. I'm going to use this layer for, let's see, I want to see first. Then opacity is going to be 80%. Then create empty mask, of course, convert. Then invert layer, invert mask. Now reveal how much. Well, let's see. And choose the brush with painting. Nope. This time, this is I use a lot dry media and soft chalk. That's what I use mostly these days. I'll try this one again. Big, nope. That was how much was that? About 1,000 or so. Okay. This layer reveal. Maybe 700. Well, let's change the basic soft round opacity. Yep. Let's try this one. Let's see, what's this fairy seed, a square? That's maybe this one. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, I'm gonna make another create empty mask, then invert mask. Now show that, reveal the lines around here. You see some lines here, and also show the lines around here too. You see the lines here? Okay, that's good. And now working on this mask, which is bigger, then hide this much, but the reveal on this background bird paint, oops, hide this edge and this, and also reveal this tree. That's too dark, huh? And hide just a touch. I don't want to see these so much. Okay, this is it for today. Well, thank you for watching my movie, and this is Okinawan cultural beautiful woman. Have a nice day, guys, and see you next time. Thank you, and bye bye now. Ciao.